On this channel so far, I've showcased mostly unique hotels and Airbnbs, ranging from tree houses to tiny homes to, I still don't really know what to call this thing, but today I want to take you to New York City to showcase what a luxury New York City apartment looks like to you guys, complete with sweeping Central Park views. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to my brand new apartment. Just kidding, I'm here to give you guys a tour today of this gorgeous apartment right here behind me. It goes for a cool $24,000 per month if you want to rent it, or $9 million if you want to buy it. It has a state-of-the-art kitchen, a 3-bedroom setup, and 3 bathrooms. But I'm really excited to showcase this place to you guys. I don't want to wait any longer, so let's just hop straight into the tour. The first thing I want to mention about this apartment is the location. As you can already tell, it's very close to Central Park. It's located in the Lincoln Square area in Manhattan on West 63rd Street. And this right here is the corner on West 63rd on your street. We're just gonna hop across the street really quickly to Central Park just to show you truly how close Central Park is. And this is the view of Central Park. This is, again, literally just 1 block away from your apartment. We're now gonna go back across the street onto West 63rd, and this is the street that the apartment is located on. West 63rd is very residential, is very quiet and peaceful, no overwhelming traffic or tourists at all. That was a very quiet and secluded street to live on. This is the building right here. Welcome to 15 West 63rd Street. This is the marvelous front entryway you'll see right here. And it's worth noting that there is actually a doorman at this luxury apartment building, like most luxury listings have in New York City. But we're now going to go ahead inside to the building, to the main lobby. And welcome to the main lobby. It's very stunning, very luxurious here at 15 West 63rd Street. As you walk over towards the elevators, even the elevators are coated in marble and gold as we head up to the apartments. Welcome to apartment number 21A. This is the main front entry. This is the door you'll walk into. This is another angle right here. You'll notice there's lots of beautiful art as soon as you walk in. But this is kind of the main foyer area. And this is the painting you'll see as soon as you walk in. But the first little room to encounter is all called the kids' bathroom, kind of off to the left as soon as you enter in. Completely just coated in marble. Whoever built this place definitely loved their marble. And I'm going to go into the kids' bedroom. Again, I'm calling it. There's 2 twin beds right here. Very top of the line bedding right here. There's kind of a dresser on one side. There's a TV and entertainment section on one end, one corner of the room, and then off to the other corner is a comfortable sitting area with a cute little pillow of some dogs, and another dresser over there on that side. Now looking out into the windows, there's a view of some of the neighboring apartment buildings. Now we're going to continue down the main hallway and enter into the state-of-the-art kitchen. It's a wraparound kitchen, so over here to the right side, it kind of wraps around, gives you some more space. But on top of the counter, there's plenty of stuff over here, from utensils to bowls to toasters to blenders. Just everything you might need appliance-wise is in this kitchen. There's the oven. There's this top-of-the-line microwave right here. One of the newer models that kind of bumps out like this. I thought it was pretty cool. And this is the oven right here. Again, seems very fancy and stainless steel. Top-line appliances for sure in this kitchen. This is the wine cooler. Plenty of space, I'd say, for a couple dozen wine bottles. There's 4 bottles right here. It was stocked by the current owner. And then there's really cool actually drawer. I know I'm getting a little overly excited, but there's 2 drawers right here that pulls out. There's just so many utensils right here. Definitely plenty to host a dinner party. And this right here just like another wall or something, but it's actually your refrigerator. It's just so modern and just, I think, almost like looks hidden. And you pull it back right here, and this is the refrigerator. Pretty empty because the person's still in the place, obviously. There's the freezer right down here. And then off on one side as well, there's an in-unit washer and dryer, so you don't have to leave or go to the laundromat. There's also on the outside kind of a little countertop space with 2 chairs, so really nice to start your day or have a conversation with someone who's cooking. But now we continue into the main room in the apartment. Welcome to the main room, what I would call the living room in this apartment. It's a very open floor plan. I think it's great for accommodating guests or hosting a dinner party. There's enough seating. There's 2 couches and 4 chairs for roughly about a dozen people, I would say. So again, a great space, open floor plan to host some parties, some events. Now here we get a little bit closer to show you the stunning 180-degree unobstructed views of Midtown Manhattan and Central Park right here below us. But absolutely just stunning. this is what you're paying the $9 million or $24,000 a month for, are those views. There's another marble countertop or coffee table right here. I think the interior decorator design is just knocked it out of the park. I just love the modern feel of this place, everything from the black carpet to the white marble and all the white paint. So great job right there. Also, it's really kind of cool, kind of modern, twisted, I would call it, a couch on that one side and some more 2 chairs right here you can see from this angle, so you can see the whole space. Now over to this wall, there's this art collection. Basically every single wall in this apartment has some form of modern art all over it. I'm not the biggest art guy, I don't really know what to call this form of art, but I'm a huge fan of it. I would put it in my own apartment. I just can't get enough of these views, guys. You can see one more sweeping view of Central Park from the main living room area. Now we're going to inch back a little bit further from the living room space, and this is the main dining table in the apartment. It has enough seating for 6 people. This is definitely an apartment, I think, for a family, and it's 3 beds, 3 baths, and this is the TV room, the realtor called it. This is the 3rd bedroom, just the current renters or the current owners are utilizing it as their TV or their entertainment hangout space, but plenty of space right here. There's a whole couch off that's that one side. There's a TV and there's plenty of storage, and right here off the side attached, this is the en-suite to the bedroom, is another marble bathroom. Now we're gonna head down the hallway to the master bathroom. Again, very similar layout, basically just twice the size of the other 2 smaller marble bathrooms we saw, but there's a gorgeous, very spacious walk-in shower right here and a bathtub right here. Again, just marble every single place you look. But now we're entering to my favorite room in this entire apartment. Welcome to the master bedroom in number 21A at 15 West 63rd. As we peel here to the left, you guessed it, more gorgeous views of Central Park in Midtown. I was a huge fan of the bedding in this bedroom. It matches all the other bedrooms as well. Just very white, very modern. Also, this very comfortable looking loungy chair off to the side. Great to start your morning with coffee or tea there. Also a desk and office space in this one corner. There's a MacBook, just plenty of space. You're looking out. I think definitely whoever currently owns or will own this apartment has to be a very successful businessman or woman or to afford the $24,000 per month rent or $9 million if you want to buy it. But just coming home from work every single day, this is the site you would see. This is what $9 million buys you in the Upper West Side in Manhattan. All right, guys, that would do it for a tour here at this gorgeous $24,000 per month luxury New York City apartment. I want to give a huge shout out to my friend, the realtor Mike. This is his listing right here over at City Connections NYC. Put all of his information down in the description and the info of this video, so feel free to reach out to him to inquire about this listing or any other listings in the city. He has plenty. Also, be sure to follow me at Instagram at MikeWillTravel for some behind the scenes action, and I will see you in next week's video. Talk then.